Morning guys, the time is 5:45 a.m. This place looks familiar. This is MacRitchie. I'm just doing a maintenance run today, probably 15 to 20k, and that's it. Okay. I'm just having a water break right now and then I'm continuing. It is absolutely quiet and serene right now. I don't see any park goers at the moment. The car park is also empty. This is a lonely highway. I'm crossing over from Lonely Road to get home park. That's where the Chinese cemeteries are. It's right here. Right across is MacRitchie. I use this overhead bridge to come across here. So in case you're wondering what this is, this grey area, this is for you to push your bicycle up the overhead bridge. Okay, let's continue. So over here, this dark area, this is the cemetery. We will turn left. Cemetery, they also call it the Kopi Spot. It's on my left. We'll run on the outside along the cemetery. Okay guys, over here let me do a quick gear intro. Anyway, right on this side, the forested area, this is where the missing cars is, the abandoned cars. It's all inside there. It could be 2, 3 or 4 cars right inside there. Probably these are cars that were in the kampong area. They may be doing a repair or already break down. And when the kampong got disbanded and chase out, they left all these vehicles inside there. So it's still inside there. If you're interested, look for this shrine. This is the route, okay, going in. So anyway, back to the gear intro. What I'm wearing today is a black 2XU Pacer singlet. I'm wearing my army shorts. On my hand, I have my Polar for time, okay, and holding on to my handphone. There is no water, no money, just running as and when it's a very ad hoc, random type of run, okay. And also I'm wearing my white Decathlon trainers. Okay, this is a $75 trainer which I use for longer distance run, and that's about it. Okay. For the abandoned cars, Get Hong Road. Okay, underneath flyover. Just on your right side of the forested area, but go in with caution. Okay, shall continue. So I'm using the PCN. This will lead me to Adam Road Park Connector. So this is what we call the Avatar trees. Singapore version, Avatar trees. the Adam PCN. On my right side, Adam Road. Okay folks, where I am is Jalan Kampong Cantik. Sometimes I call this place Lorong Kampong Cantik, but it means the same thing. So follow this track up, you'll hit Rifle Range Road. On my back, this is the Cantik flyover, PIE. Okay, there's a tunnel coming in from Bukit Timah. So if you follow this road down, Bukit Timah Hill and also Rifle Range Road. Let's go. See some parts of the Singapore-Johor pipelines. This side road is very bright right now. Usually when I run in this area, it is pitch dark. See far ahead, the junction is Rifle Range Road. We will turn left. I'm riding on Rifle Range Road. You got to clear this road quickly because you're sharing it with the vehicle path. This road is not for beginner runners. Okay folks, this is Rifle Range Nature Park. So many a times when I use the toilet in Nature Park, it is pitch dark because the toilet lights only on but this toilet is 24 hours and you can come and use anytime. And normally I will just drink the fountain water here. This is how I drink. I let it run for about 2 seconds before I drink the water. From Rifle Range Road. So right in front of me is one of the few remaining Bukit Timah, Singapore Bukit Timah railway crossing. These bridges is all along Bukit Timah and Upper Bukit Timah Road, and it is very popular with park goers or runners. They take photographs here. And also this place, if you run straight down, it will connect you to Tanjong Pagar, roughly about 10k down. Okay guys, I finished my run, and today's run I show you a bit of the MacRitchie Reservoir Park and also Rifle Range Road Nature Park and a bit of the Bukit Precinct. So intended to do 15 to 20k, ended about slightly more than 21k. In fact it's 22.2k today. So a good run, we'll catch you again and Happy New Year. Here's where I am, we shall continue. The old tracks, okay, of the railway. You can see two tracks going left and right side. So you have the old name 9 Mile platform. If you are new to Singapore, okay, come here, have a look. Bukit Timah railway station, the old railway station. And the other famous thing about Singapore is all the no sign. Okay, so get used to it.